In this video I'll be showing you how to set up the departments on the machine using the device or Bluetooth device connected to the machine. So once you've downloaded the software and got the device connected to the till, you can simply go into cache register settings, and this is actually where you do all your programming. So in this case we're going to change the department. So we simply go into the department, and all our departments are listed here, and we can choose the department name here. Delete the department name set, and we can put the new department name in, and press OK. Here we can see that now department 1 has been sent or set to shop stuff, and there's no fixed price for it. Once we want to actually program the machine, we can run through all these, and once we've done it all, we can actually press this button at the bottom and it'll say, do you want to send the data? It will then search for the till within the system, and once it's found the till within the system, it will send the data to the actual machine itself. So that's now complete. Once it's complete, we can now simply go and check the machine itself. So with the machine in the reg position, we put an amount of money in, press the department 1, and here we can see that the machine has been pressed or programmed with the department description shop stuff. Thank you for watching our video.